All right. Okay. So what do we always say, guys, was step one? When we go from point A to point B, we always have to see what? We have to get from point A to B, and we need to see if the numbers get what? Bigger or smaller. So I went from 5 to 10. So from 5 to 10, does it get bigger or smaller? Bigger. From 6 to 12, bigger or smaller? Bigger. So we know that we're going to be getting bigger. So, George, what two things do we do, babe, if we're getting bigger? What two things?
Add or multiply.
Perfect. So add or multiply. Good. Roman and Romeo, go ahead, babes, and go to page 462. Go ahead and go to page 462. Okay? Good. Okay. So we're going to be getting bigger or smaller. So, Jocelyn, which one do you want me to try first? Adding or multiplying? Well, okay, I'll try adding. So, now guys, make sure you're writing this in your, I'm going to get you closer. Okay. Make sure you guys are writing this on your paper. So I'm going to do 5 plus what equals 10. So I'm going to say 5 and count until I get to 10. So 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
10. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So now I'm going to try the same. No, ma'am. I'm going to try the same thing. Because remember, what I do to one, I have to do to the other one. Okay? Hold on, Peyton. That right now. So, what is 6 plus 5?
11.
What is it?
11.
Go to Daddy. 11. Is that what this number is, though? No. So, are we going to be adding? No. So, guys, make sure you erase it. And we know we are not adding. So, I'm going to cross off add. And I'm going to circle multiplying. Boys, we're on page 462. She wants to be in here. She's inputting the fork. Everyone can see it. She already did, like 4 times.
Maybe I want to.
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, so what? So what are we doing? We're not adding, we're what?
Multiply.
So I want everyone to just go down the line and put multiply. Okay? And then we put the equal. Yeah, I'm gonna need a better board.
Yeah, and some better lighting. It was water clear.
Yes, it is. Okay.
Can you see okay? Yes.
I'm asking, yes. Okay, let me see here. Roman, 5 times what is 10?
5.
5 times?
No. 5 times 2.
5 times 2
Here, it was on the ground.
is 10. Okay, well, what's 6 times 2? Everyone?
12. 12.
Okay, let's see. What is 7 times 2?
14.
14. All right, what is 8 times 2?
16.
What is it?
16.
16. Okay, what is 9 times 2? 18. And what's 10 times 2? What's 10 times 2, guys? What is it? 20. Absolutely, guys. And who can tell me what am I supposed to do to my rule right now? Circle it. And what do I need to make to the side? What do I need to make right here? My what?
Cloud.
My rule cloud. And Jocelyn, what was my rule? Times 2. Absolutely, guys. So we just did number 2, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see here.
Everybody's on the top.
Okay.
Jocelyn, were you able to understand how I did that one, babe?
Yeah.
Good. Now, guys, if you have questions, don't feel scared to ask me, okay? There's no dumb questions, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Is everyone ready for number 3? Good. Did someone say no? Okay, we're all ready? All right. Okay, guys, this is number 3. So we're on number 3. I'm gonna write my board. Okay, so right now, guys, while I'm writing this down, Craig, I want you to look from number 3, from A to B, and I want you to be able to tell me, am I getting bigger or smaller? And what things am I gonna be trying to do? So wait for me to finish.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay. Craig, so from A to B, Craig, what happened? I got what? Bigger. So Craig, what 2 things am I gonna try? Perfect. Add or multiply. Perfect, Craig. Okay, Emma, what do you want me to try first? Adding or multiplying?
Adding.
Okay, we're gonna try adding. All right. So guys, I want to know 1 plus what equals 6. So what you do is say 1 out loud. 1.
1.
And count till you get to 6. 1, 2,
1,
3.
3, 4, 5, 6,
So how many fingers do I have?
5.
5. So put 5 right there. Now remember, what I do to the 1, I have to do to what? All of them. Absolutely. So what is, Wyatt, what is 2 plus 5?
2 plus 5 is
What is it?
2 plus 5.
Yes, what's 2 plus 5?
5.
Yes. 7. Guys, is that number 7 right there?
No.
No. So are we going to be adding?
No.
No. So we decided we are not adding. So what's left? We're going to what? So I'm going to start my rule cloud, and I'm going to do times. I don't know yet what I'm going to multiply by, but go ahead, guys, and put times, blank, and equal all the way down, just like how I'm doing it, okay? Are y'all still able to see this okay?
Yes.
Perfect.
I know exactly what to do.
Did y'all do all of them? Good. Okay, let me see who I'm going to call on. Abigail. 1 times what would be 6?
1, 5, 5,
Well, if I did, remember, 1 times any number is the other number. So if I did 1 times 5, it would be 5. So what do you think? If 1 times this number would be this number, what does it have to be?
6.
6, absolutely. 6. Good job. George, remember, we're going to put 6. What is 2 times 6, George? 12. So you know what, guys? I'm going to put a check mark because I know that that's right. Okay, so I put a little check mark just so I don't forget that I did that one. Jocelyn, what is 3 times 6? 18. So there we go. That's a check mark. So guys, what's my rule going to be?
Times 6.
Times 6. Absolutely, guys. Times 6. Times 6. And I'm going to circle. Remember, you always circle your rule. Okay? Garrett, let me see where I can. Garrett, what is 4 times 6, Garrett? 24. Good job. And Emma, what is 5 times 6? 30. Perfect. So guys, what did we find our rule was?
Times 6.
Times 6. Okay, guys, here's what I want you guys to do. By your hands, you know, remember our levels of understanding. 1 means I have no clue what I'm doing. 2 means I'm doing okay, but I still need a lot of help. 3 means I got this, and then 4 means I can teach someone. Tell me by your fingers, show me what level you are. Okay, we have a 3, we have a 2, we have a 2. Emma, can you put yours a little bit more to the camera, baby, so I can see? Okay. We have a 3. We have a 3. We have some 3s. All right. Okay, then you know what, guys? Craig, Jocelyn, Emma, what questions do y'all have? What are we getting confused on, babes? There's no wrong answer.
I did it a little now. I did it.
A little bit. That's okay. Hey, I mean, you're not a 1. You're good. It takes a while. This one's hard, guys. This one's not easy. Yeah, this one's not easy to do. Emma, what about you, babe? What are you having problems with? What, babe? Craig, what about you, Craig? You doing okay? Okay, guys, here's the main thing, okay? So, everyone, pay attention, okay? Here's the main thing. You have to do step 1. How did I get from A to B? Once you've done that, remember, if I get bigger, I do either add or multiply. If I get smaller, either I'm going to subtract or I'm going to divide. You have to do step 1. Once you know what you're doing, either adding or multiplying, you can pick which one you want to start with. If you want to start by adding, put the plus signs. But remember, they have to all match, right? Like if I do plus 6 here, I can't do plus 2 and plus 5 and plus 4, because would that be all the same? No. We make sure that they're all the same when we do it, okay? We're going to do number 4. You know what? We're going to do number 5. Let's do number 5. Let me grab my paper. Okay. Roman. Where's Roman? Okay. So Roman, I'm going from 3 to 27, 4 to 36, 5 to 45. Step 1. What did I do? Did I get bigger or smaller? Bigger. So Roman or Romeo, either one. What am I going to do? What two things?
Multiply or add.
Absolutely. Either add or multiply. Either one. Okay. Now let's look from 3 to 27. Is that a small jump or a big jump?
A big jump.
That's kind of a big jump, right? So you know what? Because it's a big jump, guys, and it's not a small jump, I want to try to multiply first, okay?
Yes,
So I'm going to do 3 times, or 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. I just want to get that ready, okay? So 3 times what will be 27? Well, if I don't know, we can do my 3 song, right? So let's do our 3 song. And we're going to stop when we get to 27, okay? Let's try it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. How many fingers do you have? 9. Absolutely. So guys, it's 3 times what? 9. Well, what is 4 times 9? Do your 4 song.
4, 8, 12,
16, 20, 24, 28, 32. What's after 32?
36.
36. So what is 4 times 9?
36.
Good. I want to hear everyone. I don't want to hear just Craig and George. What is 5 times 9, everyone? 45. So now I'm just going to go 6 times 9, 7 times 9. Well, guys, that's kind of a big number, but do we know our tricks? So I'm going to do 9 times 6. So I'm going to get my hands, start right here, and count till I get to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's it going to be?
54.
Okay, so Craig, Emma, guys, I need y'all doing this with me, okay? I want your fingers moving just like me. Let's try again. I want to stop on the 6th finger because I'm doing 9 times 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a 5 and a 4. What does that make?
54.
54. Now look, we have 9 times 7. So fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do I have?
63.
63. So guys, what's going to be my rule cloud?
Times 9.
Times 9. Absolutely. Okay, guys, right now, I want you to do number 4. By yourself, I want you guys to do number 4. I'm going to give you a couple minutes, okay? If you have questions, just call my name. Yes.
Me and Romeo already finished it.
Who? Oh, okay, that's fine, babe. Just double check your answers, and then we'll go over it in a couple minutes, okay? Yes.
Me and my mom did this like in the morning.
Okay.
We already finished it.
Okay, that's fine, babe. Just check over your answers, and we'll go over it. That's fine.
I did this new pen. It has colors.
That's cool. I know. I just got one for Peyton too, so she can do her work. Mhm. Yeah.
Still not have a better bed.
Mhm. Okay. Is anyone still working on it? Okay, it's okay. Emma's still working on it. Jocelyn, are you still working on it?
No,
Okay, what about Craig?
I'm done.
All right, it's okay. We're just gonna take a couple more minutes. There's no rush. Yes.
My mom says since the kindergartens can't graduate this year, me and my mom decided to we're gonna give my cousin Jessie and Emma's sister Anna gift baskets for the 2020 year.
Oh, super nice. That's very nice.
I'm pretty sure Emma's sister would like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Okay, let me see here. Jocelyn. Let me see here, Miss Jocelyn. Let me go back to my page. Okay, Jocelyn, what did you get for the number we're going to put underneath the 4? 8. Emma. Let me move my camera so I can see Emma. Emma, what did you get for the number right here, babe?
Okay.
Huh? What, baby? I can't hear you, Emma. Roman, what did you get, babe, for underneath the 5? What'd you get? 10? Okay. Well, we're going to go ahead and we're going to check our answers, okay? Who did not get 8 and 10? Did someone get something different? Let me move the camera. Raise your hand if you got something different from 8 and 10. Okay, everyone got 8 and 10?
Yes.
Okay, let me see. Okay, so 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 3 to 6. Did I get bigger or smaller? Bigger. So Emma, what 2 things do I write, babe? Plus and what, Emma? Multiply. Absolutely. Okay, guys, so what do y'all want to try first?
Multiply.
Multiply. I love to multiply, so I always try multiplying first because it's my favorite. So I'm going to do multiply all the way across. Okay, guys, remember, when you do 1 times any number is going to be that same number, okay? So what is this going to be here? 1 times what is 2? 2. Absolutely. Okay, so if I do times 2 here, what do I have to put right here? Times 2. What is 2 times 2? 4. Absolutely. What is 3 times 2? I don't hear a lot of answers. What's 3 times 2, everyone? 6. What is 4 times 2? Garrett, and Wyatt, settle down. We're in class still. I know you're at home, but this is still class. What is 4 times 2? 8. Absolutely. What's 5 times 2? Good. So guys, what's my rule cloud? Good. And we were correct, guys. So right there. Did y'all guys understand? Y'all did that one by yourself? Was it easy? Good. Where's my Jocelyn? Jocelyn and Emma. I know y'all said you were a 2. Was that easy for you to get? Awesome. Okay, guys. So here, let me see here. Let's turn. Okay, guys, I want you to go to page 464. 464. Okay. I want, look at number 14, okay? Y'all see number 14?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that one is a multi-step problem. So let's read it. George, can you read out loud for me number 14?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
A group of students and adults are going in on a field trip in vans. In each van, there will be 8 students and 2 adults. How many people will be in 4 vans?
Perfect, guys. So, first thing you're going to do is cubes. So, what does C mean? Circle my what? Important numbers. But are we just paying attention to numbers?
No.
No, remember you look before and you look after to tell me what that number means. So, for example, guys, yes. So, for example, hold on, guys. Someone's, okay, hold on. Garrett and Wyatt, make sure we're paying attention. I have the camera on you so I can see. Guys, you guys, I know we're not in class, but everyone, we still have to pay attention like we are. Okay, so there's 8, but 8 what? What does the 8 mean? 8 students. So you know what, guys? I'm going to write 8 STU. So go ahead, guys, and write 8. That is a bad grade right there. Go ahead and write 8 STU for 8 students. Okay, what does 2 mean? There's 2 what?
Adult.
Yes, so 2 adults. Absolutely. So guys, be taking your notes. 8 students, 2 adults. Hi, baby. And there's, what does the 4 mean?
4 vans.
4 vans. Absolutely. 4 vans. Hey, let me know. Okay, now, look at, remember, my U means underline the what?
Question.
Question. Good. I want to hear more voices than just George. So, Jocelyn. Jocelyn, what is my question? How many people will be in the vans? Perfect. Okay. B. Let me see here. Do y'all see any words that are my box words that means, oh, I might be doing this or this? Roman, do you see any box words? What do you see? Each, guys, each. So box each, hold on. Because it says in each van. So the word each. What is Craig? Craig, what could each mean? What or what? Absolutely. Good job. I'm so glad you remember that. So each could mean multiply or Perry, open the door. Open it. So now let's look what it says, guys. So now we're on E. So we're going to try to figure out, let's draw ourselves a picture. So we know in each van, there's going to be what, everyone?
8 students.
8 students. Is that all? And what? So, and what word is in between students and 2? What word?
And.
And what does and mean? Usually. Add. So guys, I want you to box the word add, the word and put plus, okay? So what two numbers am I gonna add?
8 and
What is 8 plus 2?
10.
So guys, really what it says, in each van, there's gonna be how many people?
I'm 10.
Jocelyn, do you see how we got 10 people? Good, because now we have 8 students, 2 adults, so 8 plus 2 is 10. Now, let's see here. Garrett, how many vans are there, Garrett? 4, absolutely. So guys, draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 vans. So go ahead and draw your pictures. Thumbs up when you're ready, okay? So I can see if you drew your, okay, good, Garrett and Wyatt. Oh, I was like, do you have to go restroom? Yes, babe, that's fine. Go ahead, Roman. All right. Jocelyn, you doing okay with it? Good. Okay, Emma. Right now, Emma, I want you to draw me 4 circles, or really 4 groups. Okay? Okay. Guys, what number? Guys, what number will, let me see, Craig. Craig, what number do you think is going to be inside each group?
As long as you work on it, you're gonna work at it at the table.
What, Craig? You think 8? Okay, Craig, what I want you to do is I want you to read that sentence. In each fan, what does it say? In each fan,
Each band.
there will be.
Students and 2 adults.
Okay, so it's not just 8 students, it's 8 students and 2 adults. So Jocelyn, if there's 8 students and 2 adults in each van, how many people is that? 10. So guys, what number needs to be in each group? 10. So Craig, babe, it can't just be 8 because we don't just have 8 students. We have 8 students and 2 adults, okay? So guys, make sure you're drawing my groups. Now remember, we got 10 because 8 plus 2 equals 10, okay? Thumbs up when you're ready to move on. Good, Jocelyn, Craig. All right. Good. Okay, guys. Almost done. Okay. So I want to know by each. Each means divide or multiply. I have my groups. Hold on, guys. It's just being a little bit too loud on someone's end. It's hard for me to hear it. Okay, make sure we're paying attention, okay? Don't be playing around, guys. I can see. Okay. Look what I have. I have my groups, and I have a number in each group. So I have 2 parts. So am I going to add, or am I going to multiply, or am I going to divide? I have 2 parts. What? 2 parts. 2 parts multiply. Guys, in order for me to divide, I had to have 1 part and 1 whole. Do I have a whole anywhere? Guys, answer. Do we have any whole? Do we have our whole anywhere? No. So we're not going to divide. We're going to multiply. So, Jocelyn, how How many groups did I make?
4.
4 times, guys, make sure you're writing with me. Craig, are you writing, babe? Abigail, what numbers in each group?
10.
10. So guys, 4 times 10 equals what?
40.
40, absolutely. So guys, my question says, how many people are in the 4 bands? So what's my product going to be? 40. Do you guys see 40 as one of your answer choices? Good. Okay, guys. So listen to me, okay? Okay. Listen, because here's what you're going to have to do, okay? We're just finished with our lesson. Did anybody have any questions over what we did? Okay, so here's what you're going to do. Pay attention, okay? You're going to do either one or two things. Okay, either you're going to go in about 20 minutes. You're going to log into Google Classroom, and I'm going to show you right now, okay? Here's what you're going to do. In about 10 minutes, you are going to go into Google Classroom. Let me get it open right here so everyone can see. Does everyone know how to get into Google Classroom? Good. Okay.
I'll be on my computer.
That's fine. So you're going to go into Google Classroom, and then don't do it yet. Okay, you're going to have to wait. But you're going to go to classwork. You see how I went to classwork? And then it's going to say 14.6. Okay? I'm going to call it today's lesson. So 4/20/20 lesson. So it's going to be called today's lesson 4/20/20. Okay? Whenever you go to this, guys, you're going to, I don't know how you want to turn it in. You're going to open it, and you see where it says input output quiz? When you click it, guys, it's going to bring you, and it's going to say input output quiz, and you press next, and all you do is start your test. This is exactly what we just did. But guys, pay attention when I say this. You cannot do this in your head. You have to use paper and pencil, okay? There's only 5 questions, guys. There's only 5 questions. And make sure we pay attention to what it's asking us, okay? And all you're going to do is you're going to take this, and at the very bottom, it's going to say submit. Make sure you're good on your answers, and you'll press submit, and then you'll turn it into Miss Dieter, okay? That's one thing you can do, or you don't have to do that, or you're going to do, let me go back to this. I'm going to do stop share. Okay, or you're going to do this. You know the page we just did, 464? You're going to do page 464, and that's what I'm going to kind of take for a grade, okay? So you do not have to do both. Make sure your mom and dad know you do not have to do both. You're either going to do the Google Classroom test, and I can grade it like that, okay? Or you're going to do page 464. We already did number 14, so you would have to do 12, 13, and 15, okay? Now, I honestly, guys, prefer you to do the Google Classroom because as soon as you submit it, I can see what you made for a grade. This right here, it's going to take me about a week and a half to know how you did, okay? But if you can't do it on Google Classroom, that's okay. Just do whatever is easiest for you. Give me about 20 minutes, and I'm going to upload this video so everyone can see the lesson we did today. And then you can go on there, and if you want to do the Google Classroom test, go ahead and do the Google Classroom test, okay? Tomorrow, we are going to be working on 14.7. And then on Wednesday, we are going to do, I think Wednesday is Earth Day, guys. So I'm going to try to find an activity we can do for Earth Day and then do like a scavenger hunt, okay? Where I'm gonna have you guys find stuff inside your house, and the first one who comes up and shows me the item I asked for, you know how I took your names for my prize box on bingo? I'm gonna do the same thing on Wednesday for our fun scavenger hunt, okay? Let me get down so you guys can see me. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna log off and I'm gonna end the lesson. Remember, either do the 462, or was it 464? Either do 464 or do the Google Classroom assignment. Either one, okay? Okay, you do not have to do both, okay? If you want to do both, that's okay, but you don't have to. Just do one or the other, okay?
Log into Google Classroom?
Yes. That I think everyone on here has my Google Classroom, actually. I believe so. I know Garrett and Wyatt, y'all have a hard time with Google Classroom. So just do 464, okay? It's fine if you can't do Google Classroom, okay, guys? Okay. Thank you, guys. I had a good time seeing y'all, and I'm hoping all you guys tomorrow can be on my lesson. It's going to be at the same time, so Miss Dieter will send a link online so everyone can log in, okay? Okay, guys, I will see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a good day. Bye, guys.
Bye.